Hunting knives are an essential tool for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. There are many products available to choose hunting knives, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best hunting knives from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter Lockback Knife. The Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter Knife features a razor-sharp 334/420 HC stainless steel blade, easy-to-open nail notch, and lockback mechanism for reliable strength and safety. It is durable and multi-use, perfect for hunting, camping, bushcrafting, fishing, hiking, and overlanding. The included high-quality protective leather sheath with snap fastener and integrated belt loop allows for convenient carry on your belt for easy access. Made in the USA and comes with a lifetime warranty. Number 2. Outdoor Edge 3.5 Razorlight Edge Knife. The Outdoor Edge 3.5 Razorlight Edge is a folding knife with a pocket clip and one-handed opening for everyday carry. It features Japanese 420J2 stainless steel replacement blades that are precisely heat-treated for excellent edge retention and hand-finished to a shaving sharp edge. The black oxide-coated blade holder provides the strength of a traditional knife and the sharpness of a surgeon's scalpel. The Grivory fiberglass polymer handle with rubberized orange TPR inserts and stainless steel pocket clip make it incredibly strong and lightweight. It also comes with a service for life guarantee. Number 3. Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife. The Mossy Oak 15-inch fixed-blade tactical Bowie knife is a powerful and reliable tool for any outdoor enthusiast. It features a razor-sharp clip-point blade made of stainless steel for excellent hardness, improved edge retention, and rust resistance. The classic rubber handle provides a high-friction and comfortable non-slip grip for use. The durable heavy-duty nylon sheath with easy open fastening system and belt hanging system makes it easy and safe to carry. The package also includes a fire starter and sharpener, making it a perfect choice for camping, hunting, and survival. Number 4. Gerber Gear Moment Field Dress Kit. The Gerber Gear Myth Field Dress Hunting Knife Set is the ultimate hunting companion. This packable dual hunting knife kit offers a complete field dressing solution, packed together in a compact, puncture-proof sheath. The set contains the Myth Fixed Blade Pro, Myth Compact Fixed Blade, and a sheath with a built-in carbide sharpener to keep you on the go. The handle is made of texturized rubber, and the blade is made of stainless steel. Customers have praised the quality of the knives and sheath, although some have noted that the knives can come loose and the sheath is a bit heavy. Number 5. Buck Knives 119 Special Fixed Blade Hunting Knife. The Buck Knives 119 Special Fixed Blade Hunting Knife is a classic, American-made hunting knife with a 6/420 HC steel blade that offers excellent strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The traditional black phenolic handle has palm swells for a comfortable grip, and the aluminum pommel guard provide the perfect combination of beauty and balance. The knife comes with a genuine high-quality protective leather sheath with snap fastener and a lifetime warranty. It's great for hunting, camping, bushcrafting, fishing, hiking, and overlanding. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.